Tell us about your company.
Well, Yanai Hydrocarbons is an upstream oil and gas well services company. It was incorporated in 2006 and we started with a very small strength of around 5 people, and today we are more than 200 people working for this company. Currently our operations are limited to India, that is all corners of India. I would say that in Rajasthan, Gujarat, northeastern regions, and right now we're just opening up a base in Rajamundry, that's south of India. But in near future we would like to go international, and we would like to make Yanai Hydrocarbons a truly Indian multinational oil and gas well services company.
Tell us about your area of specialization in upstream production.
We specialize in well testing and slickline services.
Tell us about your future of your company.
The future looks pretty bright as the oil and gas sector is I wouldn't say on a run, but it's doing pretty well overall globally. So we presume that the future looks bright, and we'll be hiring more people and growing our strength, growing product lines, and growing geo markets.
Tell us about your CSR activities and activities in the area of conservation.
Well, our activities, I can probably divide them into 2 sectors. One is HSE, which is an integral part of, I wouldn't say our operations, but an integral part of life of everybody working in the oil and gas sector. Health, safety and environment is a very, very important part of the process, because we work in environments which are unsafe, which are having a lot of flammable liquids, probably sometimes gases like H2S. So we have to be very, very vigilant and very, very careful about our activities. So safety is a very integral part. Environment, yes, environment. Like I would like to see the earth given to my kids and their kids the way our fathers gave it to us. So we do our bit in that, and we try to probably save it, conserve it, and probably conserve resources on an overall extent, so that in the future probably we can be proud and we can say that we have given the earth to our children the way we got it from our ancestors. So in this the first thing that we do is we plant trees, which is the most important part of any. I would say that you plant more trees and the more greener the earth will be. The water table increases, the overall landscape of the place increases. So we have planted a lot of trees in Rajasthan, and we would keep on planting them for a long time. Water conservation and water treatment methods are second activity that we have taken up in the environment side of our activities. Then usage of solar power wherever possible, usage of power saving devices, and awareness, general awareness in the people, so that they can conserve environment is, I think, the key to actually achieving what we want. CSR is another activity which we do, but we would not like to boast a lot, because that is something that needs to be done on a very personal level. We work in a place called Bardmer, and we have done quite a few things for the upliftment of the people of the region. The main being that we have given employment to at least 40% of people of our people working in Rajasthan are from the local region, and we have been training those people to probably come up in the technical side of things and become skilled workers. Then other activities are like polio awareness, that you need to have polio. Like a lot of people are very reluctant to give vaccination to their kids, so we probably try to make them aware that they need to probably give vaccination to their kids, so that they can lead a healthier life. Then education and imparting training to other people and people who cannot really afford to get trained, another CSR activity that we do currently in this region.